All right, boys, today we're fishing a unfished pond that I saw close by on Google Maps. We explored it the other day, but I didn't have a fishing rod, so we didn't fish it. But now I got a fishing rod, and we're gonna fish it. It's a good journey though. It's a good spot. One hand, watch, we're going one hand through this. One hand through this. Sparta! This is Sparta! Yeah! Oh. Yeah! Oh shit, damn! Alright, fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that, we'll walk this. When bro says he knows the spot, I'm bro. How's it going? Part of the trail is over there, but an easier, it's a shorter path, but I just think it's easier. Hopefully there's bass in there though. But have a nice day. And we're here, boys. Into the jungle. Into the jungle we go, boys. But an easier, you get back up, we eat those. The boys are on the right track. We are on the right track. Oh my God, I see the trail. That was fast. We is in the fucking wilderness. I'm just gonna walk towards the trail. Fuck it. We make our own trails. We make our own trails. We are on a yellow brick road. At first, I was just worried I wouldn't be able to find the path. But now that we're on the path, chirp, 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 chirp. I don't remember this. No, actually, I do remember this. I remember this. Yes, I see the trail. And back on course like nothing ever happened. Alright, boys, so today I got a couple rubber things I'm gonna try out. I got my good old froggies in there, some salamanders, a worm, and another big salamander. But I'm gonna start off with the froggies. I'll show you guys in a second. Oh boys, that was sick. That was sick. Yes, that was sick. Nice. First cast. First cast. First cast. Ooh. Oh yeah, boys. Oh yeah, boys. Oh yeah, boys. That's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one, boys. It's a good one. Oh yeah, boys. Oh, it's a good one. Oh my God. Oh, it's a good one. Daddy, that's a fat one. That is a fat one. That's a fat one. This is a fat one. Oh my God. What the fuck just happened, bro? What even just happened? Bro, I know I have a fish on too. Oh my gosh. What the hell even happened, boys? What is going on? What the fuck was even that? Alright, we're gonna see how a salamander works here. Let's see how the salamander does. Oh yeah, boys. Got one on the Sally. Got one on the salamander, boys. Oh yeah, boys. Hell yeah, boys. That's a nice one too. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh yeah. Oh, is it the same one? Is it the same one? You fatty. You fatty. Oh, you salamander. Salamander. I see exactly where I'm gonna throw it. Oh, oh my God. Oh, that was a big bass over there. No, his leg. Oh, he's all ripped. You know what that means? Frog time. Oh, he hit it. He hit it while it was running. Oh, he let go. He let go. Oh yeah, boys. Oh yeah. Alright, path. I'm gonna go back this way. Fuck this. Do you want to stop swimming funny? Oh yeah, baby. He attacked that shit. Oh, do I still got him? No, I don't. Damn it, bro. Alright, boys. We're gonna try out the big salamander. So a giant bass should eat this. Keyword, a giant bass should eat this. And if a giant bass doesn't eat this, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know what will. Fuck out of here, these big ass bugs, bro. Oh yeah, got one on the big salamander. Got one on the big salamander, baby. Hey, hold on, motherfucker. Dude. Alright, we're gonna try a couple more casts over here. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Should have walked on the log like I did before. god. Oh my god, that was a big bass, boys. Alright, boys. GoPro died. Last fish was caught on this. Yeah, but it's starting to get dark out. I'm about to go home. I'm gonna do one more cast though. One more cast. Yeah, so I said last cast probably 45 casts ago. I gotta make my way back here. So we're going through the fucking safari rainforest. All right, boys, now it's time to navigate our way back without any trail. I think we can, sort of. All right, boys, it's pretty fucking dark in here, but I think we'll make our way back because I know it doesn't matter which way I go. Oh, I thought that was a big ass bug. There's one-handed work. Damn, I really like that. I think we're coming closer. Oh yeah, I think so. No, I don't think so, but I think so. All right, boys, I made it back to the path. We're back on route, and we're off. Who needs a trail when you got a brain? You know what I'm saying? Camera doesn't even do it justice on how big this hill is, because that is a big ass hill, boys, and we almost died on that the other day. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Nah, this terrain ain't for the weak. All right, boys, I'm gonna attempt to climb the mountain. Boys, this one's pretty sketchy. I'm doing this with a fishing rod in one hand, so I'm gonna put the phone down. That's the aftermath from the other day when my boy fell. Yeah, this is the aftermath. So I'm gonna make it up here. Made it up the first section. A little sketchy up here, and that was the last section, boys. That's straight up. This is a big drop. We made it out, brothers. Oh my god, that was sick. That was sick. All right, boys, we made it out. It is hot, but that was a good day of catching fish in the secret spot. Bro says I know a spot. You know what I'm talking about. But it's time to go home. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Yeah, to the fishing. You know what I'm saying?